Well, it's day 10 at Overbury Harvest on the 24th of July, and we're really kind of romping along now. The Crusoe is almost all done, all the milling wheat. We've changed varieties and we've moved up the hill now, so we're up about 160 metres on Breedon Hill. This is another milling variety. This is about as high up as we grow milling wheat, usually because in the autumn, when we're combining in, shall we say, more traditional weather patterns, we get quite a lot of dewy mornings and light cloud cover, and that can cause the milling wheat varieties to just germinate and chip, which makes them feed value rather than milling value. Obviously this year is the complete exception to that. Haven't grown this variety before, so it's definitely dry, it's definitely fit, and Tim's just cutting out a little pull in here by the looks of things for the grain trailer, which is over there. In the distance we got the Malvern Hills, we've got the grain store just down in the middle there, and then we're looking on into sort of Gloucester, and then we've got the edge of the Cotswolds heading on round that way. So yeah, we shall see how we get on with the Zayat. We're going to get some samples off the combine tonight. We'll get those taken into a store and analysed for protein and Hagberg to make sure that we're going to get the quality, and we can get it into the right store then. We're just cutting some of these fields a little bit differently this year, so trying to keep the trailers onto tram lines and wheelings that have already been made. So rather than taking the first cut around the edge of the field, we're cutting the tram lines out, which gives the trailer a hard track with which to follow, and it also means then that when we've got the fully laden trailer, we are actually running on the tram line. With the no-till system, these tram lines have been in place for about the last 4 years, so they are they're fixed position and pretty hard, which is good for carrying kind of heavy loads with the grain in there. So seem to be still having the sort of pinky straw, but it's not as bad as the other variety, the Crusoe, so we shall have to see whether that is a varietal thing or whether or not that's seasonal. Driving around the countryside, you do see quite a lot of them around. The other thing we're seeing quite a lot of around at the moment is fires. So I know a neighbour that had a combine catch fire yesterday. There was another one today that sparked and set fire to a field. It's just imperative with everybody working hard that safety is adhered to, and as many mitigation risks as you can possibly take to try and do this. We've got extra fire extinguishers, we've got water bowsers parked around the farm, and as of tomorrow we'll have the top down hitched up to the big tractor, ready to put in any fire breaks or anything like that as we start getting up onto the hill. So yep, that's where we are, day 10, and we're cracking along quite nicely.